Hey guys, it's me, Cheesy Girl, and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some Arcade Empire because this game updated and they added a lot. Let's check and leave the game and I'll show you. So, diamond upgrade, 30 missions, 9 new workers, daily prize wheel, 3 new machines, star battle, cash or no cash, dark terror, 2 new capsules, YouTuber capsule, dominance capsule, 8 new decorations, cash/minute and settings, whatever that means. New theme, pirate, and then BitBuckets. Okay, so we're going to check out the new capsules first. We're not going to open very many of them, but... Alright. Oh yeah, you can make diamond now. I already made a diamond, which I will show you. So here is this new machine. Oh my gosh, this is the new best machine, I think. Yo, this is the new best machine, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna buy those. Okay, so and here's the other one, cash or no cash. And dark terror. I can't buy this, but my brother has it, so we're gonna go look at it in a second. And there's some new decorations and new capsules are right up here. Here's this one and this one. I'm guessing, yeah, Russo's the legendary. Oh, that's expensive. I don't think I'm going to buy those. Oh, here are the new decorations. It's like a globe chair, a rainbow tech table, and another rainbow ball table, and then a lot. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's go to my brother's arcade and look at this. I'm pretty sure this is his. I'm guessing he placed it on the last floor. Yes, he did. Look at this. It's ginormous. Holy moly, it's huge. Okay, and let me show you the diamond. I did place a diamond thing, I think, on my fourth one. Oh, yeah, I placed it there. Look at that. It's a diamond prize column. We're not going to put it right here because it's not the best. Okay, well, now that we know that the dog fighters aren't the best anymore, we gotta replace all these. Oh man, there's a lot. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. And then, oh, we have 4 actually. Okay, now we're gonna do that. Dogfighters may actually still be the best because they have 3 players, but this one is 2, which is it's not a very big difference. So yeah. What else is there? Oh yeah, we have to look at that new setting thing, but it's not in here. Oh my gosh, cash per minute. It's right there. Dude, it says how much cash you make per minute. Dude, that's crazy. We need diamond sword fighters. That's what we need. We're gonna make some diamond sword fighters. We need 10 rainbows to make a diamond. So, like, this is gonna take a long time. Okay, we almost have enough rainbows, right? Yeah, only 3 more. Alright, there we go. We have now a diamond sword player thing. Alright, this floor, the first floor is going to be all my diamonds. So we're going to clear this and just start placing diamonds. Boing. I don't even care which one they are. They're diamonds, so it doesn't matter. Okay, well, this is going to pretty much be it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.